This video will specifically focus on healing and how healing occurs in different structures. You will notice in the slides that there are different phases depending on the structure involved. You will not have to know the different phases for the different structures, but just the general concepts of what phases occur during muscle healing, that there's a repair and a remodeling phase, and that in ligament and tendon healing that the phases are similar with this remodeling phase, so just understand the general concepts between them. The ability of articular cartilage to repair is limited, and in your chapter it goes into specific invasive procedures to influence articular cartilage healing. You will not be required to know the differences in those procedures, but know that articular cartilage, how it heals, is based upon the depth of injury. Bone healing is different than soft tissue structure healing, so you should be familiar with that. You will not be responsible for knowing the different types of fractures. Those will be discussed more in depth in orthopedics next semester. Fracture healing is divided into two very broad phases of primary fracture healing and secondary fracture healing. This slide outlines primary healing, and this outlines secondary healing. This slide demonstrates the phases of bone healing and can be found on page 145 of your text. There are several sections in your text titled Implications for the PTA. Be sure that you review those sections because there may be questions directly from those sections on your exam.